Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench, once again with the the Taylor Toolworks number 6 4-plane. What I did today was to take it completely apart, see if it needed cleaning and adjusting. The first part of the video, I want to do a review of plane anatomy for anybody out there that's new. So we're going to use this plane to explain it. The hand plane in general is made up of several individual components, and the sum of these components is what makes it work. The main part of the plane is called the body. The body has a sole, and in the sole is a slit called the mouth. The mouth is where the blade protrudes. On the body, you have mounted a front handle and a back handle, also known as the knob and the tote. Also attached to the body is what holds the blade in place, and that's called the frog. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the blade set by loosening this lever on the top, which holds something called the lever cap. The lever cap is very similar in engineering as the chip breaker. It presses down in the front here and in the back. So this area here should not be making contact. So that's your lever cap. Obviously, it's because it has a lever attached to a spring in the back. When you press the lever down, it does that. When you press the lever up, this spring is released. Lever cap. Overseas, they would call this a double iron. Why is it called a double iron? Because there's two irons. The cutting iron and the cap iron. We call the chip breaker and the blade. All right? The chip breaker has a screw which holds the chip breaker to the blade. So cap iron, cutting iron, cap iron screw. This is the frog. The frog has several other parts to it. It has the lever cap screw. It has the adjusting knob, the blade advance screw, this is the blade advance knob, that's the blade advance screw, which is connected to something. It's kind of hard to see, but it protrudes through here. That's called the yoke, and it's because of the shape of it is like what you would have a yoke on your shoulder to carry heavy weights. So that's the yoke. So the yoke is connected to the advancing knob, which is on the advancing screw. Then there's the lateral adjusting lever, which allows you to laterally adjust the iron, the blade. The only other thing that would vary from a bedrock style to a standard style is how it is attached. On a standard style plane, these pins, okay, this pin here and the other one would be a screw, and you would screw them down to tighten them. In a bedrock style, you have two screws, one there, that when you loosen them, these pins loosen. Then there is another screw. Without taking the frog out, it's going to be really hard to show you, but there's another screw in the middle that you can use to advance or retract the frog. So let me see, have I missed anything? Body, mouth, left cheek, right cheek, toe, heel. In any plane, the three critical places that it should be making contact with your wood is the toe, the heel, and the front of the mouth. Not the back, but the front. Those are critical. So, frog, lateral, advancing knob, and that's about it. You got to get this right. See, the screw fits into this recess. There you go. And it rides on the yoke. Lever cap. And that's it. We're back together. Lateral adjustment allows you to make sure that you're getting the same shaving on the left and right side of the plane. And there you go. Anything else? Okay. You really can't get too much better than that. It's not a high quality wood, it's just some old blue stained pine. I hope you're having a great day. We've got a rain day here in Pennsylvania. Spring is coming. Daylight savings time this weekend. Can't wait. I've had just about all I really want of winter. How's it by you? What's your weather like? There we go. As always, like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your workshop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.